Hello, welcome to the video configuration guide for integration option for Microsoft SharePoint. In short, we call it as IOMS. Here, we are explaining initial IOMS configuration steps in order to log into IOMS. I will assume that the IOMS is installed on the default port. Usually, the default port for iOS is 80. Now, I will show how to create the site with a business object site template first. Access the home page. Click on Site Actions. Click on Create Site. Give the required title. Here we need to fill up the URL name also. I am giving the title name as the URL name also. Once I finish creating the site, I will get it as a host name followed by IOMS. Here example http://bngd02vbut/IOMS. I am creating the site as told before with business object site template. Click on create. Usually, by creating the site with the business object type site template will help us by getting the default web parts. Here the default web parts are Content Explorer web part and User Action web part. This is the out-of-box solution, help users to create easily. Click on the login button present in the Content Explorer web part. Enter your username. Our username is administrator. By default, we have not kept the password. You have multiple authentication modes also. Depending on the way you have configured your user with that respective authentication, you need to start using the site. I am using with Enterprise Solution or Enterprise Authentication. So go with Enterprise Authentication here. Click on Log On. The CMS what we are using is usually configured in the web.config file, which will be present under the layouts folder. If at all you want to list the CMS name also as a text box, make cms.visible to true. Once you log in the Content Explorer web part, the tree view and the workup pane both will appear. Expand your tree view. Open the folder of your choice. Try to view the CA document. Here, since I have not configured all the web part, whatever the object I view will appear in the separate browser window. Close the Now I want to view the disk object. So select the disk object, go for the actions and click on view. As I said before, since I have not configured the respective web part, it is opening in the separate browser. Close this. Try to view the webby document also. Webby document started opening in a new browser window. Close this. Now let's try to view the documents like CR, WebB and DESKey in the web parts itself. To view it in the web part, we need to add the web parts. Go for the site actions and edit your page. Click on the edit page to start editing the page. Click on add a web part. Here all the web parts which are present with the MOS 2007s are listed. Under miscellaneous we have the web parts of the business objects or IOMS. Click on document viewer web part. Click on add. Document viewer web part is not connected as of now, so try to make the connection now. Click on edit of that web part, go for the connections, get the document viewer from Content Explorer. Click on that. Now you can use CR, WebB or DESKey objects to see how it opens in the document viewer web part. Select a CR object, go for the actions and click view again. Before, when we opened, it was opening in the separate browser window. Now your document started opening in the document viewer web part. In order to make it big or customize to the sizes of your need, click on the edit and click on modify shared web part. A pane will open. In this, go for the appearances tab, adjust the height as per your requirement. Here we are going with inches, 6 inch as the height. Click OK. I am not adjusting the width as of now. You can see the document viewer web part has. Once you have finished with all these things, we can log off. To log off, click on the main tab where welcome with the machine name /administrator will be present. Click on the drop down box. You will get the business objects log off control. Click on it to log off the IOMS website.